Evening and welcome to the next Celica video. I've paid for the car, so it's now mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip some petrol in it, put a new battery on it and see if we can get it running. Put some petrol in, now I'll get this battery swapped over. Secure. Tying this by hand for now. Right, and we'll see if it'll start. Right, I actually got it running, but I caught it on camera, but if I start it up, it's not running too well. It's running, but it's running badly. So I think we definitely have to give it a good service. Anyway, should be able to get it around to the garage. So here it is, in all its glory in the garage. And first thing I need to do is give it a good clean inside and out. So that'll be it. That'll be the next thing to do. If I'll do it tonight or I'll do it another time. Anyway, so here is a Toyota Celica. I've always seen an issue with pop-up headlight, but we'll worry about that another time. And also it's got a few funky mods, which I'll be undoing, because I want to take it back to stock if possible. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But it runs, it drives, it stops. It's going to need a good service. I'll probably have to do overall brakes as well. And there's a stud's broken off, so that's got to be sorted out. So lots of work to do, and then get it in for MOT, and I'll sell it on. That's the plan. I'm not keeping this car. I'm going to flip it and sell it, but it'll give me some content for the channel. So plenty of work needed. Well, I'm going to wrap it up for this video. This was basically the collecting of the car and getting it running so I could drive it up to the garage. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know what to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.